There are many drinks, including the Mojito, which use a muddler to extract all the flavor from the fruit or mint, which give these drinks the traditional flavor. Over the years, many different materials have been used to produce the muddler. However, because these drinks are made with much care, choice of ingredients, and the spirit of tradition, choosing a traditional bamboo muddler will help ensure that your drinks always have that special quality. And here's why. Traditional style fits your hand perfectly. 100% bamboo wood is antibacterial and strong. Will not taint your herbs or fruit like stainless steel or plastic muddlers, and it will not shred, flake, or leach oils like cheap wood muddlers. Will not break or fill with brackish water. It's engraved with the Mojito Muddler trademark, and it's 11 inches long, which means no bruised knuckles when using tall glasses or a pitcher. And of course, a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Before you purchase a muddler, get more information so you understand why the traditional way is the best way. Click the link below this video for complete information.